how to turn on Twitter dark mode. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to turn on Twitter dark mode. So first is you have to make sure that your Twitter application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in here the Twitter. If you will see an update button, then you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Twitter application is actually updated. Now, if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So all you have to do is to go back to your home page and then open the Twitter. Now, it will actually lead here to your feed or your home section of the Twitter. So on the upper left, you will see your profile there. You may want to click on that. And then if you scroll all the way down, you will see settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy. And here you will see about your account, your security and account access, monetization, privacy and safety, your notifications, accessibility, display, and languages. So you may want to click on that. And here you will see the display. And under display, you will see the media, the display sound, and the web browser. Now, under the display, you will see the word dark mode and it's actually turned off. So since we want to turn on the Twitter dark mode, you click on that and then you click on and then it will actually automatically be set on dark mode. So on the dark theme, you have dim or basically lights out, depends on you. But basically, that is how you turn on your Twitter dark mode. So that concludes this tutorial. If you find this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section and have a great day.